Hello. In today's demo, we will go over the Cost Adjustments Integrator. We'll show you how to download project costs and how to create adjustments. We previously had the adjustments functionality as part of the Cost Integrator. However, we decided to move the adjustment functionality to its own integrator so that it aligns better with the business process to carry out cost adjustments. Once you've logged into the tool, click on Create New Sheet under Templates and select Cost Adjustments from the Integrator list. You can download existing costs either by using the download form or by entering directly onto the sheet. When you see little triangles at the top of the column names, that means that you can use the sheet values for those columns to do the sheet download. Since I know the batch name that I want to download today, I'm going to enter it here, but I only know the partial name of my batch. So I'm going to use wildcards to find my batch. And I'm going to click on Download and Download via Sheet. The Cost Adjustments Integrator has a lot of the columns grayed out. The grayed out columns are for information only. These columns are grayed out because you cannot directly change the values of existing costs. The only way to change the existing project costs is to use the adjustments functionality. I will now demo how to do a reversal of existing project costs. I've got here transaction numbers that I like to reverse. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to download those costs onto my sheet. I'm going to click on Download via Sheet. Now that my project costs are downloaded, I can now reverse them. I'm going to utilize the default row to enter the upload action and also to enter the adjustment type of reverse. And I only want to reverse 4 of these transactions. So I'm going to select them and then click Upload and Upload Selected. And it will only create reverse for the selected rows. Okay. Now let's download the batch again to review the results. Okay, there are many more transactions in this batch, but we should be able to see reversing transactions for the 4 transactions that we've uploaded above. So the tool has created reversing transactions for the original project costs that we have identified in the previous step. Now I'll demo how to change the billable and capitalizable flags for the existing project costs. So here are the transaction numbers that I like to download onto my sheet. As you can see, the billable flag is set to no for the transactions, and the capitalizable flag is also set to no. So we want to change these flags to yes. To do that, we're going to use the default row again so that the value is copied down onto the other rows. And then we're going to use adjustment type of set to billable for 2 of these transactions. Let's do 3. And then the other one, set to capitalizable. Now you don't have to type these values in. You can use the data forms to enter the adjustment types. Just copy that down. Okay, and we are going to upload the adjustments. Okay, let's download these transactions back on the sheet to see if our changes have been successful. Okay, so as you can see, the first 3 transactions have been set to billable. Billable flag has been changed to yes. And the last 3 transactions, the capitalizable flag has been changed to yes. Now we can do the opposite of capitalizable and billable. So we're going to set this to non-billable, beat that down, and then we're going to set this to non-capitalizable. Again, you can use the data form if you don't want to type it into the sheet. Upload the adjustments for the flags. Okay, let's download again to review that the adjustments for the flags are successful. So as you can see, the first 3 transactions, the flags have been changed to no. And the last 3 transactions, the capitalizable flag has been changed to no. And that is how you do adjustments using the Cost Adjustments Integrator. You can modify the sheet layout to only include the columns you want to see, as I have done here to change the billable and capitalizable flags. We hope you enjoyed the demo today. Thank you for watching.